My favorite view of Russell.
Yeah.
When I see his little butthole.
Yeah, you like it.
What should I get? This one or
When you gotta work on your tools before you can work on your truck.
Pick one. Another one?
Got the dirt bikes all cleaned up. Well, the dirt bike and the Rascal. Gonna sell the Rascal. Gonna keep the dirt bike. Sell the Rascal. The dirt bike's too much fun for that.
keep this one.
Just cleaned her all up.
This one. Keep this one. Keep this one.
You want me to keep this one?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
Because why?
This one is good.
You like this one better than the Rascal? Yeah, I think I do too. Got the whole LA sleeve kit for the CR125. New Pro X piston, your sleeve, gonna be going in there. New gasket kit, warranty, all that's good stuff. So that CR is about to get running right again, huh? It's gonna run like a new bike. What happened, Russell?
Somebody broke the bolt.
Somebody broke the bolt.
Yeah, somebody did that months ago. I think it stripped out the thingy thing.
Oh, you beat that jack.
I accidentally fucking twisted it while I was checking.
You fucking jackass. I'm just here for moral support today.
Okay.
Come in here and get the old titanium out.
Oh.
The old titanium. Super quiet, super light, and fucking stronger than pretty much any other one that we've had around here.
Get up in there. You gotta take them all off. That whole truck. Oh my gosh.
What are we looking at?
On this episode of How Fucked Up is
It's
Fucked Up.
Fucked up.
Pull that caliper up. That's
I think How Fucked Up is fucked up.
Hey, Kika. That's fucked up. You go away from the truck.
Fucked up.
Both of y'all go away. And my new Tony Llamas. Whoa, almost bit me. All right, Braap, what are you over there wrenching on?
I'm trying to get this fucking pin out of this fucking head for these power valves. For this tin. I'm probably gonna need a fucking. Woo! Did you see that?
Whoa.
Did you see that? You see what I just did? I stuck my fucking foot right into that cylinder so it wouldn't slam on the ground.
I did see that.
Woo!
I also saw you flip that bitch right off the table.
Hey, I'd rather it land on my fucking foot and hurt my foot than fucking fall off and slam on the fucking floor. It didn't do nothing to it.
So here's the cylinder. Looks really good. It's got some major gouges right here. Right here. Those 3 gouges are pretty serious.
Yeah, so now, since those are so serious, we get to disassemble everything on this fucking motor, or this cylinder, so that we can turn this out and put a sleeve in it. We have the sleeve kit up front.
Where'd we get that sleeve kit?
LA sleeves.
LA sleeves. Where we gonna fucking turn that cylinder out?
Right up there on that big machine.
Over there on those big fucking machines.
So looking at this head like this is how it's coming apart, okay? Okay. Pull this off. Those 2 things working together. Pull this. Rotate that gear out of there.
Let's check out these guts. Yeah, that's where we like to be, in the guts.
Oh,
Oh, there it goes. It pops right out the top.
Okay, so this bolt goes right here.
Ooh, that sounds
Actually,
funky.
I wonder what all gaskets that sleeve kit came with.
You'd think it would come with everything for the cylinder.
This thing holds something in there.
Look at that. Just wait for it. Here comes the bearded fella. There he is. Look at him go. Braap, brake. Braap, brake.
This piece there. Fuck you.
Every time you reach in there like this, that's all I can see. So I just had to.
Boyz brake shit.
Lindsay, do the tiger growl.
The what?
Tiger growl.
No.
Why? Have you heard it?
No. You're so fucking annoying.
Doesn't it sound like one though?
Yeah. You're so annoying.
Done. Clean. No mess.
And down in here, this shit's gross.
Dude, you know what's really funny?
What?
You got that shit all over your face.
Do I?
Yeah.
Do I look funny?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's good enough.
Ooh-wee.
I think it's fucking bad.
Look at the sacrifices we make for this shit.
See all the fucking... See the crack that's in on my hand?
Oh, it's coming right off, dude.
My face is gonna be fucking black.
Well, we're gonna be calling him Blackface. That's just smearing it everywhere. Dude.
So much gooder you can make that look. Just some fucking wire with it. No problem with it is, it's hard to get that in there and do all that shit. See?
Got a nice polish on her there. So, on today's edition, Braap Boyz, we're doing stuff. I haven't done much. Got all these little bits and pieces clean, shined up. Robert's over here working on other parts, trying to get them all polished. Fucking hair flying in the wind.
I'm gonna bring that over to this too. I mean, it's not like perfect. There's still spots down here, but I mean, it's way fucking better than it was.
Give her some nice rotation there. Let's see her all. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah.
Nice and clean.
Purdy.
Even though she's all gouged up.
Purdy. Gotta take the time to get every little piece. Every little piece counts. You're not coming up here.
Our in-house machinist. On call 24/7. We'll put that sleeve right there in that cylinder.
Nice.
We'll try to get some video today.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a little bit of video and then I'm gonna hand you the camera and you get what you can while you're sitting here flagging. Okay? Place is fucking, it's pretty packed, man. Lindsay's had quite a few fucking lines.
Yeah?
Yeah.
soon be